Chief Bassey Efiong Bassey, and I'm an engineer, civil engineer by profession, and I've authored a book titled Ekpe. The idea being to bring a little bit of Ekpe to the knowledge of the public. And I'm very happy that I've met Dr. Ivor who is also working on aspects of Ekpe, which I find to be very interesting. I wish him luck, because his work is much more complex than what I had worked on. I don't know how many years it's going to take him, but when it's finished, I think it's going to be of interest to the world. I've read the manuscript of his work, and it shows promise, and I hope that he will not abandon it, because there are difficulties in the way. He will persevere and finish it.
Amen.
I look forward to having a copy of the original, because it's going to be a classic, I believe.
Could you describe a little bit about, since you were able to interpret maybe, let's say, a third of the Abakwa language in a text, what was that process like, or how difficult was it to begin understanding this Cuban language?
It was difficult because of the fact that the language is what we know as Nsibidi in Ekpe, which is a secret language, not only to initiates. Out here in the Calabar area, I Nsibidi more in form of signs. And so it became very difficult to interpret it. But since the basic language is really built from our local Efuk, Ijagam, and neighboring languages, we try to piece them together and come to some meaning which we hope will be useful. But it's quite obvious that the people who moved from here tried to preserve the culture. Because I must confess that in certain ways, they have more of what we have lost. And in other ways, they also have to learn from us. I'm happy to have been associated with the work.
So.